I have a CSV of 1,000 CEOs in the US. I'm going to drop it in Claude and get verified emails all in the same spreadsheet in just a few minutes, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do the same. In order to do this, you just need two things, a Claude account and a Scalelist account. Scalelist is the #1 email and phone number finding tool. Just go to the Scalelist.com website to create an account and get a certain number of free credits to get started. Also, you can find the link in the description below. Now, what makes this workflow so simple is the MCP, or Model Context Protocol. Basically, this is how you connect Claude to Scalelist and other external tools to allow Claude to act on your behalf, rather than just answering questions alone. Once the Scalelist MCP is connected, Claude can search for leads, find and verify emails and phone numbers, and export everything to a CSV, all without you ever leaving the chat. Okay, so in order to get this set up, once you're logged into the Scalelist dashboard, go to the navigation panel on the left-hand side and click on API. Now here's where we can create our custom API key. So you want to click on the blue button on the top right that says New Key, and it says API Key Created. Click OK. We're going to pause there really quickly. We'll come right back for this API key, but first we want to get our MCP URL set up in Claude. Okay, now you can use either the Claude Desktop or the browser version. Both work the same way. I'm using the desktop version. Now from the navigation panel on the left-hand side, go ahead and click here at the top where it says Customize and click Connectors. Now here in the connectors panel in the middle, you can see any other connectors that you've already allowed access to your Claude account. We want to add a new custom connector, so we're going to click here on the plus button on the top and select Add Custom Connector. Now here we want to name this one Scalelist, and you can find the link for the MCP URL in the description below. I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste it here. Now this URL will be the same for everyone. The differentiator is going to be your API key that you created in your own Scalelist dashboard. So let's hop over there really quick and grab that. Okay, let's just double check that it's the most recent API key that we created. Go ahead and hit the copy button. It'll say API key copied, click OK, and then pop back over to Claude. Okay, just go ahead and paste and click Add, and we'll see the Scalelist MCP connector pop right up here in the list. One quick thing I do want to note about custom connectors: if you're using a Claude free account, you currently are allowed to have one custom connector. However, if you already have a number of other custom connectors, you will want to make sure that you upgrade to a pro plan that costs about $20 US a month. So now that we've connected our Scalelist MCP, let's start a new chat and just make sure that we're connected. So we'll hit the back button, and let me just close my panel on the left-hand side. All right, we're just going to check really quickly and ask Claude, are you connected to my Scalelist MCP? Hit enter, and yes, it's confirmed that it's not only connected, but it's given me a list of all the tools that it has access to. Okay, so now really quickly, this is what my spreadsheet looks like starting off. You'll need to make sure that you do have columns at least for first name, last name, company name, or company website. Now I'm going to go back over to Claude and share the same spreadsheet. Okay, next I'm going to give Claude my CSV file. I'm just going to share that same spreadsheet, and I'm going to ask Claude to find all of the emails for every lead in that file and to put the data into a single spreadsheet with new columns for emails and email status. We'll go ahead and hit enter and give it a little bit of time to process. Now, for every email found costs 1 credit. There are no credits that are charged for emails that are not found. Verification of the email is included in the cost of the credit. Verification just means if an email is valid or risky. Valid means that the email still exists and is deliverable. Risky means that it may or may not be deliverable. It's up to you to decide whether or not you want to still use the email. Now we're going to give Claude a little bit of time to run, and we'll come right back when it's all finished. All right, great, and it looks like it's all finished. Claude has come back with 893 emails in total. 722 are valid, 171 is risky. Again, valid means deliverable, risky means email has been found, up to you if you want to still use it, may or may not be deliverable still. 104 weren't found, and then 3 contacts had no chunk data, which basically means that Claude was processing all of this data in batches, and a few of them slipped through the cracks. Not a huge deal. We can always rerun that later if we want to, but let's just go ahead and double check our spreadsheet on the right-hand side so we can see all of the same columns that I had in my original. And then we have our email column and email status. I have emails blurred out for privacy purposes, but we can see the valid ones are coming up in green, risky is in yellow, and then red, of course, is not found. And if we scroll down, we can see all of those found emails and the few not found emails. That's the entire workflow. Simply give Claude the CSV and let it do the work for you. Now, if you want to skip the CSV list entirely and just build your leads list and find emails all without ever leaving the Claude chat, this next video shows you exactly how to do that. Now it's your turn to give it a try. Get your free credits at Scalelist.com. Link is in the description below. Have fun and scale smarter, not harder.